Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to break down the driven mirror eliminator install on our 2018 BMW S1000RR STG project bike. Okay, the mirror block off install is a relatively simple project. These mirrors on the BMW, they don't have an integrated turn signal, so it is a basic mirror. We have two nylock nuts that are holding the OEM mirrors on. Let's go ahead and remove those. Driven manufactures these in several colors, so you can accent your bike. Jimmy's kind of doing a red theme here with all the anodized parts. All right, once you remove the two nuts, there's your mirror. Always want to save these. And then we have the mirror block offs. You'll notice in the package, there are 4 additional larger washers. There are 4 washers that come on the bolts. And looking at this, on this 18, I don't know that I really see the need for those larger washers. These are really close. It's going to look a lot cleaner, and they sure don't pass through that hole, so I'm not going to use the bigger ones. You know, double check your bike and see if the hole in your fairing stays different size. Put just the tiniest little bit of blue here. These things love to come loose. Okay. That is a nice, clean look right there. It's a simple project. I think at the end of the day, this video is more about what does it look like than what does it take to actually do the install. If you're a street rider and you're doing this, you're probably going to want some type of a far end mirror. We've got stuff from Driven. Driven has multiple options available. Got some CRG stuff. I'm sure that there's probably different parts out in the marketplace that we don't have available, but I'm sure there's other options. If you are a track rider, these are cool because it just, it just gives that bike, your bike, that real finished look. 4mm internal hex fastener. Not going to use a torque wrench here. Move on to the other side. That looks pretty cool. Definitely clean. Go to the website for pictures of the additional anodized colors available. That's really one of the things that Driven's famous for, is all the different colors. A lot of our other hard part manufacturers have focused primarily on black, right? Black is what sells the most. And Driven's one of the few that remains that is anodizing in all these brilliant colors. It's just a great way to get your bike to stand out a little bit in the crowd, accent it. Okay, reinstall here. You leave that rubber grommet in place. And we're just going to repeat the process we showed you on the other side. When we're all done now, because you've got, when you remove that OEM mirror, there's some fairing, that wasn't previously exposed. You need to polish it up a little bit. Use a little Maximus speed wax on that. Just like we showed you on the other side, just good even torque. A little bit of thread locker on each one, blue color. Okay, there you go. Install's complete. I took a little speed wax, polished up the front of the fairing. Nice, clean install. They really look cool on the bike for sure. If you're gonna have race body work, it's just a nice way to finish it. If you're a street rider, you can do that and then get yourself some bar end mirrors, right? You do want to have the ability to see behind you if you're riding on the street. You look from the backside too, and it's just a really clean install. Several colors available. I know this is a basic video, but still it gives you an idea to have something better than just a still picture. It gives you an idea of what is the end result going to look like? How does the part install? Are there any weird gaps or any shit like that? And there's not with this one. Driven did a great job. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section of this video. I answer all those myself, and I'm here to help you get the same result from your project we do ours.